Our staff goes the extra mile to ensure our clients walk away happy and satisfied. So we're excited to share our latest rave review written by one of our valued customers. We spend countless hours to ensure that we deliver the absolute best customer service out there, so when we receive a 5-star review like this, we know we're succeeding in our goal. And just like our customers, we're confident you'll appreciate our unmatched quality and attention to detail. Your satisfaction is important in gaining your initial and repeat business, and we'll work very hard to earn both. It's great you had a chance to take a look at us. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.